I'm loving this. I am so loving this.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Headband Wig. Today the company I'm going to be sharing with you guys is Supernova Hair. And Supernova Hair have decided to send me a, let's open it and see, a headband wig in straight hair. Okay, so we got a straight hair texture. It comes with the usual 2 clip-ins and 3 at the back, and obviously the headband. Okay, then I got a beautiful crystal headband. I already had this actually before they sent me this. I already purchased one, so I got another one. Now I've got 2. We've got 2 extra headbands here, which is some animal prints. I got a elastic band in case I wanted to tighten up the headband, a wig cap as usual. Ooh, and I got like a silk band in case I wanted to melt that lace front wig. This was well needed because I need a new one. I also got a wig sack where I can keep the wig, lashes, damn, Supernova, edge brush. Also got an edge brush. Okay, wow, that was a lot of things in one box. Amazing. So to get started, as you've already seen on my previous videos, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, make sure you guys check it out. I will be linking all the episodes of the headband wigs that I've done for you guys that haven't yet seen it to watch it. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that before we get into this video. If you're new, welcome to my channel where I will be doing a lot of videos, hair videos, makeup videos, vlogs, lifestyle, and more. So to get right into the video, I've already done my edges. So as you guys already know, I like to always sway it a little bit back. Again, you can have the headband wig in front if you want. You can have it at the back if you want as well. It's entirely up to you. Now with the headband wigs, as I have said before, it is so easy to put on. It's a throw and go. If you're in a hurry, airport run, errand, school, work, whatever it is, these are the best. They are so easy. You don't need any glue. You can basically have a nice secure cane rose underneath. You can protect your edges as well. You know, just put it on and head out. What's easier than that? So enough of me talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. So I'm gonna push through the combs like that, and then I'm gonna press it to close it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch the back and just secure that. And for the sides, because there's no pins for you to be able to secure the sides, what I'm gonna do is I always tend to take a bobby pin or just any hairpin, and then I'm just gonna secure the sides. That's it. And this is just in case you would like to have like a nice bun. There we go. How nice is that? And easy. This is basically how you would wear your headband wig. And if you're in a hurry, this is it. This is basically everything you need to do, and you can just go put a headband on top of it and go. But for the video purposes, I'm going to show you guys how you can style it in various ways and also get the hair silky bone straight. So I'm just going to go ahead and section it into 2 and just brush through. All right, so after doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my argan oil, and this is just such a nice serum for the hair. It keeps the hair very silky and straight, and also like really nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on to the hair. And this is just a nice hair care tip for you guys. For this part of the crown here to stay super flat, I'm gonna go ahead and use my styling wax stick, and I'm just gonna press it on to keep it super nice and flat. And then I'm gonna use a brush to just like spread that like so. This hair is so soft and so silky. Damn, feels good. Okay, then I'm gonna use my flat iron, and this one that I'm using is from GHD. I've had this flat iron for so long and it's still my absolute favorite. It actually does the job for you, like super flat and silky bone straight. So I'm just basically like randomly pressing the hair. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna be wearing this one a lot often. It doesn't really require like a lot of styling, and obviously the whole point of this is for you to be able to just wear it and off you go. And I'm just so loving how quick and easy that was to just style this. And I also like how it's like dropping and falling. Look at the hair. It feels so soft, feels so nice. I'm loving it. To spice this up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the crystal headband. And oh my god, this is beautiful, you guys. Stunning. Wow. I feel like a queen. I absolutely feel like a queen, you guys. This looks so pretty. Now, I would wear this one out. You know how I said like I wouldn't wear this out with my girls? I would absolutely rock this one out with my girls because this one is looking, oof, I love it. I think this one is so far my absolute favorite. I really do think so. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back. Ah, oh, loving it. Okay, so I want to switch this up and try like to bring it forward, just in case there are some people out there that feel like this is not for them. I'm gonna bring it forward. Since I haven't got any hair in the front, I'm just gonna go ahead and clip those in. Right. So for this one, I'm gonna take my Louis Vuitton scarf, which I got as a gift from my friend. I absolutely love it. She really surprised me with this one because we went in the store and I was like, oh, I've always wanted this scarf. Like it was on my birthday and I was like complimenting the scarf, like, oh, I've always wanted this. She's like, oh, you like it? I'm like, yeah, I've always wanted it. She's like, just take it, I'll pay for it. I'm like, okay, really? All right, rich friend. Get you a rich friend. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one on. Oh my god, just look at this rich vibes. I'm already loving the turnout. So if you have a scarf like this, you can totally wear it with like any scarf of your choice or any headband of your choice. You guys, this was such a vibe. This was such a vibe. Damn, this is so me. Like, oh my god. Ah, I'm just in love with this. So pretty. I mean, just look at this. Like, the scarf just changes this whole look and gives it this, like rich woman, rich auntie vibes. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. Let me try to see if I can part this hair. Like, what I mean parting is like try to bring it downwards like this. Oh yes, honey. Like nobody needs to know that this is a headband wig. This is looking pretty. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. I would rock this like with some nice ass glasses and Yo, let me just bring a sunglass. I just need to put on a sunglass and pretend like I'm going, you know, heading somewhere posh. I'm gonna take my Fendi's and just put them on. Okay, sis. I'm loving this. I am so loving this. Damn, okay. You guys, I feel like I've got, you know, $1 million right now. Imagine this in your, you know, sports car, chilling with the BFF. Just picture yourself in a nice sunny weather, sun-kissed, maybe sitting in Dubai having brunch with your girls. Simplicity, elegant. I'm loving this. And I'm sure y'all could tell that I'm loving it. Okay, let's try something else. Okay guys, so I'm gonna switch up that style and I'm gonna do one more that I think would be very nice. So I'm gonna bring this here and then I'm gonna apply the wax stick again just to keep it flat. This is just another style that I feel that you guys are gonna love. It is very common. We have seen people do this style a lot of times. I just love how the wax stick just makes this look. You can also press with a hot comb if you feel like you cannot get yours as flat as you want. So I'm just gonna use the flat iron to bring this forward. Nah, the way I'm loving this hair, picture it with a bob as well. Mind you, this is a 22-inch in length, but it comes all the way to my waist, which is amazing. So it's quite long. Guys, I mean, even just this is stunning. Still really pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the same Louis Vuitton headband or any other headband that you have, and I'm just gonna tie this. But be careful as you do this, because the last thing you want is for this part to come up, because I really hate when people have it that way. So I'm just gonna easily and slowly tie this. I'm trying to be as gentle because I hate when that happens. This is it. So what I hate is, you know, when people like push it and this part just becomes like on top. I really hate that. I don't want that to happen. That's why I was taking my time to just do this step. And oh my God, I'm loving it. I am so loving this. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the description bar which was your favorite, because I am so loving this. I am so loving this. I am so loving this. Let's switch things up a little bit. So this is just one of those headbands. So I'm just gonna put it on. You can also wear this one just like I did by having it like this, obviously without your wig looking like this. Or you can just put it down, which is what I'm gonna do. So put it on first, take the hair out, like so, and then we try to put it on. I love this headband because it's so thick. You can actually like pull it to get it like super thick, or you can just, you know, shrink it to get it smaller. But I love the fact that it is very thick. That's how I actually like mine. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this. This was so pretty as well. Like really nice. I love how thick the headband is, and I also love the print and the color. Really, really nice. Let us put this in a ponytail. So with this, you can see my cane rows. So try have it as flat as you can, because I was just lazy doing my cane rows, so they're quite big and thick. So you can have your cane rows like underneath, like super flat, so that it wouldn't look obvious and bumpy like mine. So do better than me, okay? And that's my ponytail. This is also super cute. and this is also just another style that you can do. So you can do various styles, and to be honest, the headband just makes it so much easier for you to do. Like all these updos, you can always just cover up any mess that you may have with the headband, extra headband that you get from the seller. I think this is such a good idea for you to have just different options, so you can just change your styles anyhow that you want. You can obviously just go ahead and also like put this up in a bun. You can go to the gym with this, basically do whatever you want with this hair. And this just brings us to the end of this video. Just want to give a special thanks to Supernova Hair for sponsoring this video today. I am super happy with this headband wig, and I do recommend it to each and every one of you that is watching today. I will link every single item and every single information that I have about this hair and all the other hairs that they offer down in the description box. I do rate this hair. I'm obviously, as you can see, absolutely in love with it, and this is something that I know for sure 100% that I'm going to be wearing all the time. So I'm gonna love you all and leave you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.